Good day, investors. Welcome to the 14th of January 2015 market review. Due to technical errors, no market report on share trading will be sent to you. Just wait by mail, please. Looking at the Dow Jones, yesterday they were so positive in the late afternoon, and after the close of our markets, they were almost 256 points higher. And they actually closed much lower, about 27 points negative after the big rally, and we did follow the markets. As you can see, we came down about 27 points on the Dow Jones chart, and currently the futures are 102, 107 points negative for the start this afternoon, so we could expect a bit of a negativity, but we need to track that movement closely before 4:30 this afternoon. Looking at the J200, and this is very important, they did move with the rally upwards, but look at this now. There's the top side and here's the bottom side, and this momentum is getting smaller with huge volatility happening currently, ups and downs, up and down. We could most probably see a bit of a negative opening here at 8:50 on our markets here, about 300-400 points negative. Due to the Americans, it's also negative. Looking at some shares, let's go look at the Barclays campaign at this moment. This is Barclays. They're trading on this highs here, and they did move up yesterday about 3% higher. That's about R6.75. And I'm tracking this one closely. If you look at your Bollinger Bands, you came to the table price here, and that's the ceiling price. The red is the ceiling, the green is the table price. And they tested and they broke up again above the 182 level, currently trading at 184.75. So we need to see if they can come down today. Looking at Standard Bank, still in this positive channel going upwards, also moved up higher, trading just above this 146, 147 level, as you can see there. But look at this positive channel going up there. Let's go and look at your MTNs. MTN is still in a negative channel going up. Now, oil is trading at $45 a barrel at this moment, and as you can see, it did follow it, got this low of 200 as a price, started to move up to 203.45. We need to see if this one could stabilize at this levels here. Looking at Vodacom, did very well yesterday, trading above the 51 rand 31, and it started to close down here at 129.65. So it's struggling to break this 150, 131 at this moment. Need to track this one closely as well. Looking at some of the retailer shares, here's Shoprite, still between the red line and a positive channel going upwards, came close to this 170 level, currently closed at 174.66. So there's a low, there's a high, there's a low, there's a high. Now, very important to track on this now is this low here of 171. At any time if it breaks this 171 down, more downside could be due. If it breaks this 180 upwards, definitely the 190 could be the next high on this specific share. Looking at Mr. Price, Mr. Price moved above this level of 233 and it went back to 246 and tested previous highs there as well. And here's Woolies. Woolies did okay. It went to close to the 80 rand, 78 rand levels. Look at this pattern starting to form a low, high, low, high. So the big question, at any time if it breaks the 76 rand level, more downside could be due at 273 rand, getting back to this bottom here. Shares that I'm currently tracking very closely is Investec, INP, and as you can see what's happening with INP, it broke the support line, tested the previous lows here, now it's moving back to the 95 rand level. So the big question here is, there's a high, there's a low, there's a high, there's a low, there's a high, there's a low. Testing this high, so there's a small reversal head and shoulder pattern. So here's the head and there's the shoulder and there's the leg. Big question is, can you break 95 rand and go back to the 98 rand, or will this now be a small downside momentum happening? Now I'm just going to show you by looking at this cursor here. There's the lows, there's the highs. If it touches this 95.70 and it comes down, that will confirm to me this is a small channel going downwards at this moment. Imperial. Now Imperial did very well the last day. There's a low, there's a high, there's a low, there's a high. So in actual fact, if you draw this up now, you're going to basically see a nice positive channel moving up here. And currently it's on the top of this channel at this moment. So the big question is, testing this 190 levels. If it breaks it, next high could be back to the 196, but expectations to come back here to the 185 and currently trading 190. So there's 5 rand movements between the highs upwards and the lows downwards. So track this one also very closely. It's still trading between the green and the red line on the top in this small positive channel. Traders, enjoy your trading.